Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Flareon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes, starting with the left side. Let's start with the curve down here. Now from the top, let's curve it down and back into the other side. Next, inside, let's add an oval shape in the top right. Now let's move over to the right and we're going to draw the other eye. Let's start with the curve here. Now let's continue that top line and curve it down towards the right, stopping here. Now let's close off the bottom with the curve like this. And again, an oval shape in the top right. And that's it for the eyes. Let's draw the shape of the head next. Let's move over on the left and let's draw a curve down for the side of the face. Now from the bottom, let's curve it out for the cheek and then back in. Next, let's move over to the right side and let's draw a curve over and back down to close off the head. Next, inside, let's add the nose with a small black triangle. Next, let's draw the fur on top of the head. Let's start above the right eye here and we're going to draw a curve down, over to the left, and back up like this. Now from the top line, let's continue it up with an S curve. Now let's bring it back down, another point up, and back down to close off the hair. Next, let's add the ears on top of the head. Let's start on the top left of the face here and let's draw a bent line up like this. Now let's close off the ear with zigzag lines all the way back down. Now let's draw the other ear with the same shape on the top right. Next, inside the bottom of each ear, let's draw two pointed V shapes. And then lastly, let's add a border inside both ears. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start by drawing the fur collar around the neck. Let's start on the left side of the head and let's draw a curve down. Now we're going to draw pointed pieces of fur going down and curving it under the head like this. You can follow my pattern or you can do your own. You should end up right under the center of the head like this. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's start under the ear here and we're going to draw curves all the way back down to the center. When you're all done, you should end up with a circular shape like this. Next, let's draw the legs. I'm going to start with the back leg and work my way forwards. On the right side here, let's draw a long curve down. And then another curve down and straight like this. Now move over to the left side and we're going to draw a curve down, stopping slightly higher than the other side. Now let's close off the foot with 3 toes by drawing 3 bumps. Now let's draw the next leg on the left here. Let's start with an angled line down. Then an angle on the left for the other side of the leg. And then close it off in the same way with 3 toes. Now let's draw the next leg that's slightly behind like this. And then one last foot in the same way on the left. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start above the head and I'm going to draw pointed shapes all the way up, curving it over towards the right. You can copy mine or create your own pattern. When you're done, you should end up over here on the right side. Next, I'm going to draw a few curves, curving it back in towards the ear. Now from this point, we're going to curve it out and down like this. And then to finish off the tail, I'm going to draw more spikes all the way back down towards the leg. And that's it for Flareon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!